Hi, my name is Vernon Fabry, Product Manager here at Barnes & Oliver. The machine we are about to show you is the RH700 Flex. The term Flex comes from the machine's ability to change size in a matter of minutes using the Fanuc touchscreen CNC. Most machine adjustments are programmed through the control, reducing setup time. The Flex covers the full range of the machine using electronic adjustments rather than mechanical ones. We've been using Fanuc controls on our machines since the early 90s. It's just the reliability, it's just unmatched.
This is an automatic loader, and this will automatically feed the material onto these inlet skids here, one at a time, so that they can be indexed onto the V-rolls that you see out in the center line of the machine. Once the material is loaded onto the V-rolls and in the spindle center line, the feed vise takes over. It will automatically come back and locate the leading end of the material, grip the tube for starting entry into the machine. This is a rotating head cutoff, so the key here to notice is material is always stationary. That X-axis motion of the cutoff slides is controlled by another of the Fanuc servos. One of the key features of this RH700 is the fact that the adjustments are all servo-based. And this particular machine has 6 servos.
I can run, motion control here through G-code and run motion control separate over here. When we get into certain scenarios, this path actually recalculates a bunch of stuff based on what's coming next, so just offsets for this path. So we actually have a lot of crosstalk between the two paths. Okay. Path 1 handles all of the machining functions, like just to machine the part. Path 2 is actually doing all the handling and runs all the logic on how to advance the part, how to handle the part.
On the output side, we have a robot. There's a cut part in the head chuck right now. So there's a 3-jaw gripper that'll go inside that part, grip it on the ID. The next step is we have an overhead unit here with a 2-jaw vise. It's called the swab unit. Now, finished parts can go one of two of these rotary tables here. We can actually palletize them. We fill it on the opposite side and then trigger the operator to exchange the baskets.
From the CNC, we can launch M codes to drive the robot, to call each M code, corresponding M code with the corresponding program here. So if I call M73 here, it selects program number 73 here, which calls another program labeled M73. Okay. So that I can essentially drive the robot from the CNC.
We have machines in the US, Canada, South America, and Australia. We've probably got 20 in the field, but if you include our CNCs, we've got hundreds of units operating in the field with the Fanuc Control. The RH series follows a long-standing Barnes & Oliver tradition of long tubes in, finished parts out, one system, one process.